All right, here's the setup. We're at Empower Yoga. This is where we make our cold lavender towels. We have a little setup. This is the towels, purple and brown, a random pink one in here. Yeah, hand hand wash size towels. This is where we spill over or after we wring out the towels. This is where they get stored and put into a refrigerator. And then, of course, we have essential oils. So the main ingredient is lavender here from my buddy Chris Wright's place, organic. We have eucalyptus and then lemon. Sometimes we use grapefruit. So either something with some citrus in there helps awaken, but also calming with the lavender and eucalyptus for more cleansing purposes. So we take the water and we fill up about halfway, and we're just for sample purposes. And then about 15 drops of lavender. Good. There's no exact count. Estimate. I'm going to go with grapefruit. Yeah. The formula for us is equal parts grape, citrus, and eucalyptus to lavender. So a quarter and quarter of a citrus. Sometimes we'll use even orange instead of substitute the grapefruit or lemon for orange. It really just depends on the type of class you have going on or just whatever you feel today, whatever energy you need. And then we take the towels in here and soak them in, right? Now, a trick is to wring. I find that, especially for hot heated power classes, you don't want to have a lot of excess water, at least in our studio. I've been to other studios where it is really wet, and those are nice if your temperature of the studio is Bikram hot. But in our case, our heated classes are in the range of 85, 90, sometimes 95. And when a towel is dripping wet and super cold, it can be really kind of almost shocking. And that may be wanted. It's all good. So we'll make a little batch here. There you go. So nice and folded. Place on your forehead. Now some students, some teachers like the towels on your neck. That might be fine. Personally, that can be a little cold for me. There we go. Then we find a sealed container to get all the air out. Keep it out because then you get smelly towels. Now, we have our refrigerator right here. And you always want to last in first out. So you stack the containers here to where you have the, so there's always inventory rotation, right? So there you go. Thank you for stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in to our lavender towel supply chain. And we can't wait for the day to put a cold lavender towel on a student. All right. Thank you and adios.